If you had to guess how I made all of my money, you would not say dropshipping, SMMA, or an agency or anything along the lines, because we all know that things like that don't actually make money. So how did I make all my money? I sold a real world service. Everyone wants to become a millionaire off their laptops, which I can get why. The lifestyle seems pretty nice, but it just doesn't work. The main reason SMMA and agency and along the lines of that doesn't work is because your goal is to get customers on a monthly basis paying big sums of money each month. So you limit the number of people that you can target. And with dropshipping, everyone knows what it is. If I ever actually see something that I genuinely like on an ad and it's a product, I'm just gonna go on AliExpress and buy it. Everyone else knows how it works, so they're just gonna do the same thing if they want the item. But the reason that I make more money than 99% of every single person in this space is because I understand the riches are in scale. So what is the real world service that I provide? It's so basic. And you can do this with any type of service too. But I did window cleaning and gutter cleaning. And the reason is because every single person loves their home. You could do something like landscaping. You could do something like car detailing because people love their cars. Or you could do a service for even on their body. But find a service revolving around something that people genuinely love. And home is one thing that everyone loves. So find a way to make their home or whatever thing that you're targeting 10 times better than it already is. Cleaner, nicer, or just make it better than it already is. A big part of this, especially in the beginning, is how you're gonna sell when you first start. A lot of people, they just set up ads or they try and do online marketing, which that does work. But in the beginning, the way that you're going to make the most money is doing cold outreach. What I did in the beginning and what I kept doing to make all the money is door to door. And I actually remember when I did first start selling, the week prior, I hired my one friend to come and clean the actual windows for me. So that's what we did in the beginning, just windows. And then the day before I went out, which was on a Sunday, we went out and we bought about $100 worth of equipment. And then the next day I went out in my neighborhood and I just sold for 2 or 3 hours straight. And obviously this isn't my first time selling door to door. That's what I did for my first job. So I already had some experience, but first day knocked out $1,000 in revenue. So I made all my money back instantly, which the average business takes a year or two before it breaks even, which shot my ego up a little bit, but it still worked out in the end. If you've made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you so much. If you've been enjoying it or you've got some value out of it, if you could please subscribe. That would honestly mean so much to the channel's growth. Thank you. But moral of the story, sell a service because it's incredibly scalable. As well as if you're broke, you're just selling your time, not to a job, but to your own customers, and just scale. One thing that I've noticed as well is a lot of people have commented talking about they don't know where to start or they don't know how to go about it. And I just released my business model where you can buy it, and I have the step-by-step playbook on how to start the same business that I did, how to run it without an office, how to pay employees without taking out from your own pocket, how to grow and scale a team, as well as how to sell, and a bit more. But brace yourself, it's pretty expensive. And a bit of a bonus that I want to give to the first 10 people that join is go on an hour call with you and a bit more. But you can check out the website if you're interested. It's the first link in the description. That's where it's going to be. The thing I'd say about making a lot of money, half of it comes up to your mindset. Yes, of course, having the system, having everything in place is so important, but the thing that I found is more important is honestly how you view money itself. If you only care about money and your only focus is money, you're not actually going to become wealthy and you're not going to have anything really great, because money can only be a good motivator for so long. Eventually you get to a point where it's comfortable and you just stop striving. That's why I found that having a big goal that is more than just money is the thing that's gonna make you the most money. As ironic as it is, the time when I didn't want money is when I was making the most money. The month where we broke 14K was the month that I didn't care about money at all. So how are you supposed to view money? There's a few ways that you could view it. The way that I see it is, of course, it's just a tool and it's there to help you. Now, I don't have any bad views on money. I don't dislike it. Of course, I love it and I want it to come my way. It's just, it's not my full priority. It's just not my full focus. So you might be thinking, then what was your full focus? What was your priority? Cleaning windows? And no, I didn't wake up in the morning lustful for cleaning windows. That no one is like that. That doesn't make sense. For me, the thing that really motivated me past money was having my team, growing my team, being a business owner, being a CEO. That's what got me out of my bed every single morning, excited to perform. Before, when it was just me and my friend, and then there was a bit of a period where it was just me before I scaled again, that was the least most fun part of it. That's when I didn't enjoy it at all, when it was just me and there's no team. Of course, you could be motivated by anything. You could be motivated by the money, or like me, you could be motivated by the fact that you just want to grow a team. Or maybe you're motivated by learning, which is a big part of it for me too. So you really do have to change the way you think and view business if you want to make it. Thank you for making it to the end. I really appreciate that. I hope you got a good amount of value out of this video. And again, you can go ahead and check out the business model if you want to redo what I did. And also with the New Year's here, if you failed on your goal and you want to get back to it and you want some accountability, You can check out the Discord. There's me and a couple people in there, and we're starting to grow a lot more now. You can go ahead and join it if you want, as well as check out the free sales course. And again, thank you for making it to the end. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one. Bye bye.